Hello, I'm Gonçalo. I studied electrical engineering and I joined Freiheit in February 2022. I'm currently a software engineer level 3 and a team lead in one of our projects. Recently, I joined one of our biggest projects to take over the team lead role. This is like a huge project for a retail customer that is alive in over 30 countries. This project has over 20 teams. I joined the team that's responsible for all of our cloud infrastructure. At the time, together with our client, we understood that the costs of our infrastructure were higher than what we wanted. We decided to take an action and to cut the costs down. Looking at it, the main problem that we had that increased our costs was that we had a system per country and as I said, it's over 30 countries, so that's a lot of systems, and the base cost of everything was too high. So what we decided to do was that we will merge these systems together, and for testing we would merge them all the 30 into one, while for production we would still keep separate ones, but we would merge them into 2 or 3 systems. Since testing is also not something that's alive, we wanted to cut down the costs abruptly. We decided, contrarily to what we normally do, that we would do it on testing and fix some things afterwards. From there, then we did it on the first few countries and it worked out fine. Then we said, okay, let's now do all the other countries on one day, because this really has a huge impact. At the time, we understood that our process was not ready to do so many at the same time because it was not ready to scale. And from there, this was actually on that day, it was a bit tough because we stayed a bit late. So our scripting was taking a bit more time. All the parts of the process were taking more time than what we wanted. We were like 4 colleagues from different teams in the call. At some point, we even said, no, we'll leave it when it gets done. So we don't want to wake up tomorrow and have it half done or have a system that is not working and the engineers cannot work. And we managed to pull it through. It was also very nice to see that people were kind of refusing to leave when they get their part done. So I was responsible for the process, and when some colleagues already had all their parts done, I asked, just go rest, it's already late, and everybody kind of refused and said, no, I'm here and we do it together, and I will just take over this part from you, I can do it for you, or I can do that for him. Yes, that was very nice to see. In the end, we pulled it through and it was working. I also enjoyed a lot that from this, then we took a lot of learning. So we looked into all the steps, how did it go, what didn't go fine, what can we improve here and there. Afterwards, it was working perfectly, and the customer was also very happy with it, that everything was working smoothly, that we just switched basically the full system in a few minutes and then things were working fine. This also shows a bit why I enjoy working at Freiheit. When we do something, we do it as a team, we work on it together. Everybody decided, no, I do not leave my colleagues, we will do it together and we will get there. All of us learned a lot, designed all the steps of the process, made all of the improvements, and did it together as a team. We had a super smooth process for production. It shows that we learn from things, which I enjoy a lot.